In today's video, we are putting the portable Anker SOLIX PS400 against the permanent DOKIO 800W set to see which truly fits your power needs. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these solar panels, make sure to check the link in the description below. Starting with build, the Anker offers a foldable design with an adjustable kickstand for quick sun alignment, while the DOKIO gives you a rigid glass and aluminum frame that is built to be mounted permanently on a roof or shed. When it comes to power, the Anker pushes a single 400W panel with a high 23% conversion efficiency, whereas the DOKIO gives you two 400W panels for a total of 800 watts, making it a much larger capacity system if you have the space. For weather resistance, the Anker is superior in portable protection with an IP67 rating that handles heavy rain, but the DOKIO relies on its tempered glass and sealed junction boxes to survive the elements outdoors year-round. In terms of connection, the Anker uses a stable MC4 system to ensure minimal energy loss, while the DOKIO also uses MC4 leads but recommends an MPPT controller to manage its high combined current safely. Portability is where the Anker really shines with its foldable body and included carry bag, but the DOKIO is heavier and much harder to move because it lacks handles and is designed for a fixed location. The Anker is perfect for campers and RV owners who need to pack up and go. However, the DOKIO is the clear choice for homeowners wanting a permanent off-grid installation for their yard. For emergencies, the Anker is ready to deploy instantly to charge your power station, but the DOKIO offers a more robust solution for sustained power outages when bolted down. Ultimately, if you need flexibility and on-the-go power, the Anker is the best pick. Yet if you want the most wattage for your money on a permanent setup, the DOKIO cannot be beaten. Remember to find these panels at the best available price right now by using the link provided in the description below.